What's your name?
My name is Hazel.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I'm a bank manager.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read books.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I do.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
How's the weather today?
It's raining.
Do you like summer?
Yes, it's my favorite season.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Does it snow in your city?
Yes, in winter.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love them.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the mall.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes.
What time do you usually have lunch?
Around 1 p.m.
Do you take a nap during the day?
No, I don't.
How do you spend your mornings?
I drink coffee and check emails.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do.
Are you close to your cousins?
Yes, we meet often.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Who is the youngest in your family?
My little sister.
Do you often call your parents?
Yes, almost every day.
Have you ever been to the mountains?
Yes, I have.
Do you like flying on airplanes?
Yes, it's exciting.
What's the longest trip you've taken?
A 10-hour flight to Europe.
Do you prefer the beach or the city?
I prefer the beach.
Have you ever stayed in a hotel?
Yes, many times.
Do you like desserts?
I love ice cream.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink tea every day?
No, only occasionally.
What did you study in school?
I studied science.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, it's fun.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I am.
What was your favorite subject in school?
I liked history.
Did you have a lot of homework in school?
Yes, I did.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Have you ever gone fishing?
No, never.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun.
Can you draw or paint?
Yes, I love painting.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, especially stories.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch soccer.
Have you ever played tennis?
No, but I'd like to try.